Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to fix reading order using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is essential for making your PDFs accessible and ensuring that screen readers can navigate your document in the correct sequence. Let's jump right in and get your document properly structured. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to Recent Files and select the file you want to fix the reading order for. This will open your PDF and prepare it for editing. Now in the upper left panel, click on Menu, then select View. This opens up a range of viewing options that will help you access the tools you need for fixing the reading order. From this menu, click Show Hide, then select Side Panels, and finally click Accessibility Tags. This brings up the Tag Structure panel, which is crucial for organizing your document's reading order properly. Next, in the upper right, click on the three dotted lines, then select Reading Order. This opens the Reading Order tool, which allows you to define how different elements of your PDF should be read by assistive technologies. You'll see a pop-up window appear that gives you various tagging options. Here's where the hands-on work begins. Move your mouse over the actual PDF page and click and drag to draw a rectangle around the content block you want to tag. This could be a heading, a paragraph of text, an image, or any other element on the page. Be precise with your selection to ensure the correct content is tagged. After you release the mouse, go back to the reading order pop-up and click the button that matches the content type. For example, if you've selected a main heading, click Heading 1. If it's body text, click Text or Paragraph. If it's an image, click Figure. This step assigns the proper semantic meaning to each content block, which is vital for accessibility. Now repeat these steps for all parts of the page. Go through your document systematically, drawing rectangles on the page itself, then assigning the appropriate tags in the pop-up. This might take some time depending on the complexity of your document, but it's worth it to ensure everything is properly structured and readable. Once you've finished tagging all the content blocks on your page, click the Close button in the Reading Order pop-up. This closes the tool and applies all the changes you've made to the document's structure. Finally, in the upper right, click the Save button to save your work. This ensures that all your reading order fixes are permanently stored in the PDF file. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the reading order in your PDF, making it more accessible and user-friendly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.